Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the world of beauty products, one honest review at a time. If you're someone who finds flossing with traditional string a hassle or dislikes the sharpness of some dental tools, you're not alone. We all know how essential it is to maintain healthy gums and teeth, but sometimes the tools we use can leave us with more frustration than freshness. Today, we'll be reviewing the GuruNanda Interdental Picks. Super soft, flexible rubber bristles designed to clean between your teeth while keeping your gums happy. And before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future reviews and beauty tips. The GuruNanda Interdental Picks come in a resealable pack of 100, making them perfect for travel, your bathroom drawer, or even your desk. These picks feature soft rubber bristles that gently remove food debris and plaque, promoting gum health without causing irritation. The rubber grip handles make them easy to hold, which means no more fumbling around while trying to clean between your teeth. And here's a huge plus. These picks are BPA-free, PFAS-free, and completely cruelty-free, which speaks volumes about the brand's commitment to providing safer, cleaner options for your oral care routine. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using these interdental picks for the past few weeks, and I have to say, I was pleasantly surprised by how easy they are to use. The flexible rubber bristles glide between my teeth with minimal effort, and I love that they don't feel harsh on my gums. There's no risk of poking or scraping, which has been a problem with other floss picks I've tried. They also do a great job of picking up any leftover food, and I love how they massage my gums at the same time, leaving my mouth feeling fresh without any discomfort. On the flip side, while these are great for a quick clean, they may not be ideal for those with very tight spaces between their teeth. I found that if you have more significant gaps or heavily packed teeth, these might not provide the deep clean you're used to from traditional floss or specialized tools. But for regular everyday use, they work wonderfully. So let's break it down. What do I like about these picks? First, they're super gentle on the gums, which is perfect for anyone with sensitive gums or people who want to avoid the harshness of traditional flossing. The flexible bristles also make them more comfortable to use, even if you're new to interdental cleaning. The size of the pack, 100 picks, is definitely a pro, giving you great value for your money. On the downside, as I mentioned earlier, they may not work as well for people with very tight spaces between their teeth. If that's you, you might need a more specialized tool to get in there and really remove plaque or food buildup. Now, what about the price? The GuruNanda Interdental Picks are fairly priced, considering you get a large pack of 100. If you've been using similar products that don't offer as much flexibility or comfort, these picks are a great upgrade. And if you're comparing them to higher-end brands, these perform just as well at a fraction of the cost, making them a good option for those looking for affordable, quality oral care. In terms of build quality, these picks are lightweight, yet durable, and I've had no issues with the bristles losing their shape or effectiveness after multiple uses. Plus, the resealable Ziploc bag is a nice touch, keeping everything neat and tidy while ensuring the picks stay clean. As for customer support, I haven't had a direct interaction with GuruNanda's customer service, but the brand is generally well regarded for providing good support to their customers. So, who would I recommend these for? If you're someone who values gentle, easy-to-use oral care tools, the GuruNanda Interdental Picks are a solid choice. They're particularly great for everyday cleaning, helping you maintain healthy gums and a fresh mouth without irritation. If you're dealing with tight spaces or need something with more heavy-duty plaque removal, you might need to look for a different tool. Before we wrap up, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on these picks, the link is in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And remember, until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.